Hi, I'm Debbie with Plow and Hearth, and today I'm going to be mixing a refreshing late summer cocktail. I'm going to be using bourbon, lemonade, fresh strawberries, and fresh mint. We're going to be serving it on our new Deep Creek kitchen cart. So I set up the cart, and now it's ready with all of the ingredients for this particular drink that I'm going to be making. The only thing I need to do is prepare the strawberries. And we'll just hull these strawberries, and just like that. There we go. And just really quickly and easily pop that top off. So we have all of our ingredients prepared. Now I'm going to start making the drink. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one of our glasses, and this is a really great size to work with. And because these strawberries are so giant, if you don't find these at the store or the farmer's market, just adjust with one or two, medium-sized strawberries or 1.5. But just this size is what we're going to work with, and I'm going to muddle this. And what you use is a muddler, but if you don't happen to have one of these utensils at home, you can always use a wooden spoon to do that, or a mortar and pestle. So what's great about this utensil is it has little teeth, and it helps to smash that strawberry much easier. So now I'm going to stabilize the glass onto the cutting board, and I'm going to start muddling. And just pressing down and turning the muddler, maybe about 6 to 8 times there. So the strawberry is broken down, and now we're going to add some mint. I cut the bottom part of the stem off, but I still am using some stem and some leaves. I like the added flavor that the stem gives once it's muddled, so you just want to make sure that you don't ingest it. So we're just going to muddle a couple turns with the mint because it's a delicate herb and you don't want to overdo it. We're going to add a little bit of ice now. So bourbon is the liquor of choice for this recipe because it's a little richer, and we're doing a recipe for late summer, so it's kind of a change of season. And we're going to put a 1/2 ounce of bourbon, but you can always add more to your taste. So let's do a 1/2 ounce. So now I'm going to get the lemonade. And the lemonade is store-bought, but you can always mix your own, again, to the whatever tartness or sweetness. And I'm going to do 3 ounces of lemonade. So that's 1, that's 2, and that's 3, right there. So now I'm going to give it a quick stir, and now I'm going to top it with some sparkling water. And the last thing is I'm going to garnish with a fresh sprig of mint right here. Let's see. And that is what I call a late summer refresher. Okay, let me give this a try. It's very good. It's light, and we've lightened up the bourbon with the ingredients with fresh strawberry and lemonade and mint. And one of the things that I really love about this drink in particular is you're actually entertaining your guests when you're making them a drink. So that's kind of a fun thing to have at a party. And our kitchen cart is the perfect size for all the ingredients we need for this particular drink. So go relax and visit us at plowandhearth.com.